Hi, thanks for joining us for the tutorial 16 of SmartMaker Advanced Function. User interaction with an app program such as screen touch, keystroke, or button press is called events in computing. In the previous tutorial, we have created various event functions easily and quickly using SmartMaker's GUI tool. When designing complex screens and functions, it is necessary to apply detailed processing order and execution conditions of events. In today's tutorial, we will look at SmartMaker's Process Manager for controlling events in detail. For the tutorial, I have prepared a membership management screen that can be used to manage customer information such as gym membership. Back, Next, Save, and Delete event buttons on this screen were created by configuring style properties of event button atoms. When developing an app program, you might need to execute events based on specific conditions. For example, in a membership management app program, you might want to apply different membership fee based on the members' registration dates. To do so, you can apply the condition to the save event based on membership registration dates. From Tools menu in the top toolbar, you can find several tools for controlling events in detail such as DB Query Manager, Process Manager or Working Logic, which is a business logic implementation tool. In this tutorial, we will control our events using Process Manager. Select Process Manager from Tools menu at the top. On the right side of the Process Manager window, you can see the overview of the atoms including the event buttons on the screen. As you can see, the atom names for the event buttons are Button, Button 1, Button 2, Button 3 respectively. When implementing multiple events, we recommend naming the event atoms with easily recognizable names such as names that are descriptive of its function so you can identify each button quickly. You can edit atom names from the Atom Name display field at the top, or you can also edit the atom names by selecting the atom and pressing F2 to edit. Then, enter the atom name and press Enter. Now, let's implement event function with condition. For example, we'll add a condition to apply the discounted membership fee $50 for the members who joined before May 31, 2020. And the standard fee of $70 for the members who joined after May 31, 2020. First, in Process Manager window, select Save Atom and double-click. Then, select when to add the condition by hovering the cursor over the text Dynamic Function Trigger. Dynamic Function Trigger can be set to before or after the main event. The main event refers to the event selected from style properties of the atom. In our example, it is Save Event. When you select Before, the process created by Process Manager is executed before the main event is executed. On the other hand, when After is selected, the process will be executed after the main event is executed. Since we want to process the condition before the save event, we will leave the processing order unchanged as before. Next, select When Save is clicked from the list of When. The 6 different task types that can be processed when the atom is clicked will appear in a list. On the list, Call System function refers to the various processing functions and services that can be implemented directly within SmartMaker solutions such as message processing, time and date processing, calculation, file input and output. The next option, Atom Properties Settings, is for controlling properties for atom or the form. You can retrieve or assign specific properties of an atom. You can also execute events configured to the selected atom such as search, save, and close. Database queries for saving, editing or deleting data to the screen are automatically created in SmartMaker. However, by selecting DB Query Manager from the What list in Process Manager, you can manually process DB or process another DB not related to the current screen. Working Logic is a tool for implementing detailed business logic or complex conditions for atoms or the entire program screen. You can create working logic using natural language, meaning everyday English. For more information about working logic, please refer to the future tutorial. If you choose Open API, you can connect and execute public data, which is all data or information created by public institutions. Using server service, you can connect the systems such as ERP, CRM, SCM, GW and other industry standard services and functions to integrate legacy system, as well as solution products such as ERP supplied by a specific vendor such as SAP. In our example, we will use processing message function based on the execution condition. So, let's select call system function on the list. Let's add the condition based on the relation between the membership registration date and the monthly fee. Press Add button, and on the left field, enter the item name registration date, and on the right field enter the base date the item value will be compared to. When a date or time is selected in Date Picker and saved in the table, only numbers will be stored. Therefore, when using a date as part of a condition, you can simply enter number in the format of year, month, and date. For example, to specify the date conditions such as before and after May 31, 2020, we'll enter 2, 0, 2, 0, 0, 5, 3, 1 in the field. Next, we'll select a conditional sign. Since the condition to be specified includes May 31, right-click on the inequality symbols and specify the less than or equal to sign. After setting the first execution condition, click Add, enter the item name monthly fee on the left, and enter 50 on the right. Then select Not Equal sign to finish setting execution condition to check when monthly fee is not $50. The next step is configuring execution object. You can select various system functions from the function combo box for detailed configuration. For our example, we will select message function, so that a message will be displayed whenever the execution condition is met. In pass value, we will enter the text that will be displayed as the message. The text will be displayed when the monthly fee of members who registered before May 31, 2020, is an incorrect amount. We have configured the text for the display message when an incorrect amount is entered in monthly fee field. In addition to displaying the message, to prevent saving the incorrect data, I will select Stop Processing from Processing Status field to complete the event settings. Now, let's go to Run mode, enter the monthly fee of $20, enter the registration date as May 11, 2020, and click the Save button. The registration date is before May 31, 2020, and the monthly fee is not $50, so a message will appear and you will be able to re-enter the correct data without saving any incorrect entries. If you press the Save button after entering the correct amount of $50, you can see that the data is saved and the new empty screen is displayed with the membership number is increased. Back in the Edit mode, let's configure the condition for the members signed up after May 31, 2020, whose monthly fee is $70. Right-click on the event you just created in Process Manager and click Copy Event. Then right-click Save and select Paste Event. Double-click on the pasted event and change the execution condition to Big, and change the monthly fee from $50 to $70. We will enter a text for the pass value and press Save button to complete the event settings. Now, if you switch to Run mode, enter the monthly fee as $50, and select the registration date later than May 31, 2020, press the Save button. Confirm that the notice message we have configured is displayed. Now, enter the amount that meets the $70 condition and press Save to save the data normally. As you've seen in this tutorial, there are numerous events you can customize for your application using Progress Manager. We recommend trying out different functions and to create detailed and varied configurations. In the next tutorial, we will look at how to use events customized for the mobile environment. Thanks for watching.